Why do realtors switch brokerages? Like, that's a question I always think, like, why are you switching?
One theory that I have is it's similar to why an athlete switches his sneakers. He feels like, or she feels like, they're going to change their sneakers because that's going to change their performance.
Mm-hmm.
You're still going to perform the way you do now, no matter what sneakers you have on,
Mm-hmm.
right? But when we're young and we're coming up and we're going through it's the sneakers, it's the shorts, it's
Right.
the jersey, it's this, it's that. So unfortunately, a lot of it is people feel like a new name, a new brand will change who they are. It is a better environment if the agents that work with me in the brokerage see that I'm doing the same thing they're doing.
Respect.
If I can't tell you to do something that I'm not doing. Well, since we started taping 9 minutes ago, I had 25 and 11 voicemails.
25 different people?
Different people.
Oh, shit.
I have agents that call me all the time on a 3-unit, want to get tomorrow at 8 a.m. First of all, tenants don't wake up that early. Right or wrong? They're not up.
It's true.
They're not up. So I already know that's not happening.
Mm-hmm.
So my response is no, that time doesn't work.
For
So
what?
you just told me you can't do the time that I can do, and then the time you can do, I have another obligation. I already have an appointment. I can't be there, but you won't let my client in. So now I have to scramble, get someone else to go and cover and try to figure out what to do. It's like, why? Why are we doing that to each other? Someone asks me that, send them all. I tell them don't even come. Like, even if you can come, go do something
Go
fun.
home, go to
I'm
the
like,
library.
Go do something fun. For real, like, do something fun.
What threshold did you reach that made you the top agent?
I did the most transactions in 2019 amongst all agents in the country. 517 transaction sites.
So no other person did that, was named on that PNS besides you?
Correct. It was actually the PBN, so was it Providence Business News?
Yeah.
So they did an article on me while I was at Washington Trust, and all the people at Washington Trust read it.
They're like, that guy's over there.
They were like, hold on a minute. I'm sorry, wait, time out. They're like, it's you? I was like, whoops. Anyone that can be at peace with this can fulfill anything they want. Don't care what anyone else thinks. Do you. Do you, but don't be selfish about it. There's a thin line there, right? So when I say do you, like, focus on what you want, what you need, what you desire, and make that happen.